Hi, in this video, we're going to go over array methods, okay? And in case you want to know what are all the various array methods available without having to memorize them, just go to your console.log and within the parentheses, put the square brackets within the parentheses and just hit enter. So you'll see over here this square brackets again. Click on the icon and you can see this is the prototype of array, okay? So if you click again on this arrow key, so this drop down will display all the various methods that are available. So you don't have to memorize what the array methods are, and we'll go through each of these methods one by one, starting with concat. All right, so let's go. So we're going to cover what concat method does for arrays, which is concat is basically concatenation, and it's an array method. So what concat does is it does not change the existing array, but what it does, it returns a new array. And the syntax to be used is you select whatever array that you want. I mean, it's not necessarily has to be array one. So it's just basically the array that you selected and concatenate with the additional arrays that you want to combine. So array two and array three. Okay. So let me just give you an example. All right. So you can see over here now, I have these three arrays on the console.log. So I'm going to create a new variable called new array, and I'm just gonna randomly select array 2 just to show that you don't need to select any particular array. It's just random selection, and concat with array 1 and array 2. Okay, and then we'll console.log out new array, and yeah, so you see over here 7 8 9 and then 1 2 3, and oh okay, I think I just put array 2 again over here. So if I just put array 3 and refresh, yeah, there you have it. So this is the concat method, but basically it's just concatenation, and you can just select any array 3 and changes it to array 1 and array 2, and you'll get the same, I mean the expected result. So whatever array you placed over here on the left, that those element display on the left first, followed by whatever you want to concatenate in the order that you put it within the parentheses. All right, thanks for watching.